Hi there, I'm Justin Pritchard for Driving.ca, and in this video, we're taking a look at some of the most common problems reported by owners of brand new vehicles with a look at some of the data from the latest J.D. Power and Associates initial quality study. So we'll take a look at some of the key takeaways of that study, as well as the possible impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on future results, and look at some of the notable brands and models, and some of the most notable problems reported by owners of new cars. This is an annual study based on input from thousands of new car owners in the first 90 days of ownership, and it expresses results in PP100, which is problems per 100 vehicles. So a lower score is a better result. But this video is a summary of a more detailed article I wrote over on Driving.ca, and you'll find a link to that in the description below. And if you're new here, consider liking and subscribing down below so you never miss a new upload, and welcome to the Driving.ca YouTube channel. So key takeaways, well, it's Hyundai as the leader for initial quality, with brands Genesis, Kia, and Hyundai coming in first, second, and third place respectively, and outperforming the industry by a fairly significant margin. These brands also have a high percentage of models that deliver top performances in their segments. Ford, Lincoln, Chevy, Nissan, Dodge, Lexus, and Toyota round out the top 10 respectively. And the single model with the best overall score in the entire study this year is actually, for the second time in a row, the Porsche 911. That's interesting given that all European brands in this study actually perform below the average. And towards the bottom of the list, with the most reported problems per 100 vehicles in the first 90 days of ownership, it's brands like Volvo, Alfa Romeo, Mitsubishi, Land Rover, and Jaguar. So what are the problems that owners are reporting? What do you need to be on the lookout for if you're buying a brand new car? The big news here is electronics. Touchscreens, voice command, Bluetooth. Though these are areas of recent improvement over the years, the IQS data shows there's plenty more work to do, as electronic problems are making up a leading proportion of issues, including difficult or fussy operation that sees owners frustrated and confused with how the systems work. Driver assistance systems problems are on the rise as well. Interesting to note here that J.D. Power considers difficulty or confusion in using these systems to be a problem, because so do new car shoppers. Now, mechanical problems are on a decline. In fact, the experts say that automakers have become really good at building cars that don't break down and leave you on the side of the road, though hardware problems are on the rise for a different reason, and that is called lot rot. And basically that refers to things that can start to go wrong with your brand new car when it's been sitting for too long before you pick it up. Concerns here include paint and finish defects, and those might come from the factory or from the fact that your new car is probably moved around, cleaned, driven, and handled by numerous people before you buy it. Also, there may be unwanted noises and sensations from things like your suspension and brakes, which can rust and seize and otherwise diminish your enjoyment of the vehicle if it's been sitting for too long. Being parked for extended periods is bad for batteries too, and when a battery in a modern car starts to weaken and die, this can lead to a variety of electronic issues, check engine lights, a no start situation, and more. And that's all stuff that you don't want from a brand new vehicle. And today, with COVID-19 leading to cars sitting around longer than ever before they go into service, J.D. Power says that this trend might continue to be an issue. So what do you do, and how do you protect yourself? Well, you want to carefully check out that new car on a test drive and with an up-close inspection before you take delivery. So check the paint very carefully and thoroughly in direct sunlight, looking for damage or defects before you accept delivery of the vehicle. Go for another test drive to confirm that the brakes and suspension are as quiet and smooth in operation as you expect. And if you're unable to detect any issues before accepting delivery of your brand new vehicle, then be sure to report any trouble down the line to your dealer for an inspection and documentation, using the new vehicle warranty to your advantage. Keep all documentation and act as quickly as you can. This might help speed a warranty claim if required. Note that many problems relating to brake and suspension noise, tire-related vibrations and noises, and general fussiness from infotainment systems are easily fixed, sometimes with a hard reset or software update to an electronic system, or a cleaning, adjustment, or lubrication to some braking system or suspension component. And finally, if your brand new vehicle is likely to spend plenty of time parked amidst the ongoing pandemic, then consider a battery trickle charger to fend off possible electronics problems that can result from a weak battery. Regular tire pressure checks can help fend off wear and vibrations as well. Be extra careful with those tires. Tires can naturally lose air pressure just while the vehicle is parked over time, and also extended periods of non-use mean that those tires could flat spot. That can result in unwanted noises and vibrations as you're driving as well. Well, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. My name is Justin Pritchard for Driving.ca, and I'll see you in the next video.